My name is Wasifur Rab. I've been in IT for almost 6 years. I've been in IT for almost 6-7 years now. Currently have MCSA, MCSE, VMware, SCCM, and Linux certifications. I found out NetSoft from one of my very close friend. He came to NetSoft about 4 or 5 years ago. I've taken almost about 7 or 8 courses, 410, 411, VMware, Citrix, Exchange, and I plan to take a couple more courses in the next couple of years. The quality of the courses are really good. It's actually more than the industry standard. Majority of the things that I did, like hands-on labs and theory, I had touched upon at my previous work, but I actually got a broader spectrum of, or broader knowledge of some of the enhanced or advanced products in many of the courses. I haven't been to any other IT institute, but what I've heard from some of the peers and colleagues based on their feedback, I find that NetSoft has a lot of detailed scenarios, and we also get the official labs from Microsoft or other vendors, which really help us to enhance our skills that we already had, but we enhance the skill and advance it. All the instructors that come over here, they have industry experience, they have a very in-depth knowledge. Some of the instructors who are here have been in the market or in the IT world for almost 18-20 years. So we get real world experience, and a lot of we get to pick their brain and get to know some of the technologies they have worked on, and we enhance our own skills as well. All the courses are designed in a way, they are intensive, because some of the materials we have never touched in real world, and it does happen with a lot of IT people. We get to know those products. The instructors use different type of tools to enhance those skills for us, and they explain in such a easy way that it flows to us and it makes us stick in our heads. All the projects or assignments that are given at NetSoft, it's actually at advanced level, because everyone that comes over here has an IT background, and we're made to troubleshoot on our own majority of the times, because that's how it will be in the real world environment. There are lots of pros. We get lots of hands-on theory-based courses. Majority of the courses have 50-50 splits, so 50% theory and then 50% labs in class. And also you have to do it at home, and you're enhancing your skills. One of the cons that for me is being away from family in some of the courses because of their intensity. Well, I've seen a lot of success stories, people finding jobs in IT, like they're moving up in the ranks from tech support to system admin or senior system admin, architect, consultant. I've seen many stories. It varies. It's different for different courses. Some of the courses needs a lot more hours or input at home as well. So some of the courses we were putting about 20 hours just at home. Some of the courses are only 10 hours. So it really depends on the intensity of the course. There are a lot of support available. All the teachers are always willing to help us in terms of making or enhancing our resumes, giving us feedback from their interviews. We also have a lot of groups that if someone needs any interview help, we go and help them out. We also have email circulation, so any new jobs that come out, we post it there. Most proud of VMware. Even though I've been working with VMware for quite some time, But when I signed up for the VMware course, it gave me a whole new perspective of what the VM world looks like and what the entire product suite can do. Some of the things that I hadn't touched in real life, I was able to do it in the test scenarios and home funds and the labs. Again, VMware and Citrix are actually my favorite course. Even though I've yet to work with Citrix, it was a new virtualization perspective. VMware, as mentioned before, I have worked with VMware, but taking the VMware course, I was able to get a lot more information and do the real world scenarios that unfortunately I hadn't done before in my career. I would recommend NetSoft because it gives us a lot of real-world, hands-on experience, a lot of labs. So this is what we will be doing, or people do in real world in IT. All the teachers or the instructors, they have a lot of working hours. They have a lot of knowledge, and you can pick their brains and take information, and they help you with interviews and resume prep. So all in all, it's a great package over here. Don't step back. It's a great program. Some of the courses are amazing that is not offered in the market, which I know for sure. So, and some of the instructors, I keep mentioning it, they have a lot of knowledge, and you will be blessed to be a part of NetSoft.